We're dealing with a dangerous animal, a wild pig from the wilderness. Somehow she has a collar and sitting by my mother. Watch the moves she makes. Watch the noises. She's extremely wild. All you have to do is poke her. She freaks out. Watch when I touch her paw. She freaks out. This is a wild, crazy. People, do not do this at home. She is crazy. We're gonna close her snout so she won't bite us. We got her. We got her. Look at her, struggling. We're gonna get her. We got her. No, we don't. You hear the sound she's making, people? She is crazy. And we got her. We had her, people. We had her.
Oh, last
Got her. Got her. Okay, let's see if she'll give Mama kisses. Go up there, piggy. Goodness gracious.
Make me get bit. Pushing on her hip. Back in. I'm not getting mad at you. Mommy girl.
Piggy. Give me some kisses. Give me some kisses. Give me Kimmer some kisses. There's her nose. Mother, what do you have to say for this wild beast? Well, there she goes, running away.